There is something about a silver finish on optics that just catches the eye, and this Ultra Dot unit is no exception. It has this clean, modern aesthetic that stands out from the sea of matte black gear you usually see at the range. When you pick it up, the first thing you notice is the weight. At 9.5 ounces, it feels substantial enough to be durable, but light enough that it won't throw off the balance of your setup. It is a 30mm tube, which gives you a nice, wide field of view, making target acquisition feel pretty snappy. Now here is the interesting part. The listing mentions compatibility with devices like iPads and Nooks, which is honestly a bit of a head-scratcher for a piece of archery gear. It is clearly a bit of a quirk in the product data, so don't expect to be syncing your tablet to your site anytime soon. Just treat it as a solid, dedicated optic for your bow. The Weaver mount is straightforward and locks down tight, which is exactly what you want when you are out in the field. You aren't going to be fumbling with complex tools to get this thing secured. The 1x magnification is perfect for keeping both eyes open, allowing for that natural depth perception that makes a huge difference when you are tracking a target. The plastic construction is a bit of a trade-off. On one hand, it keeps the weight down, but it does lack that cold, premium feel of machined aluminum. It feels sturdy enough for regular use, but you might want to be a little mindful of how you treat it if you're prone to bumping your gear against trees or rocks. The silver finish looks sharp, but it is definitely going to show scratches more than a darker coating would. What stands out, though, is the simplicity. There is no fluff here. It does one job, and it does it well without trying to overcomplicate the experience with unnecessary features. If you are looking for something that looks a bit different and gets the job done without any fuss, this is a solid contender. It is not trying to be the most high-tech piece of equipment on the market, and that is actually its biggest strength. It is just a reliable, clear, and easy-to-use site that looks great while doing its job. If you can get past the odd compatibility notes in the manual, you are left with a very capable piece of kit that is well worth a look for your next outing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.